Hey, have you heard somebody say to you, hey, we become what we think about, or something along those lines? That is so very true. I want to share with you something really quick. If you can, if you want to, close your eyes really quick for a moment and just think about yourself in your kitchen, a place that you are already so familiar with. Of course, you've been there many times, so if you close your eyes, you'll be able to know where how the floor looks, where the sink is, where your silverware is, where your fridge is, right? So turn around, go over to where your fridge is, open your fridge. Imagine taking out this plump, beautiful lemon. As you open that fridge, you see it. It's just gorgeous, plump, yellow, beautiful, looks juicy. You know what I'm talking about. So pull out that lemon and set it on your counter or on your cutting table or whatever. Pull out your favorite knife and then imagine that you're slicing through that lemon. And as you slice through that lemon, imagine the little bit of that lemon juice that sort of oozes out, and you can get the little bit of a scent. You know, you get the scent of it, you get the feel of what the lemon is like, you get the visual of that lemon sort of dropping that little bit of lemon juice off of it, you get the feel of what it's like to slice a lemon with your knife. Now imagine putting the knife down, grabbing that one of those halves of the lemon, and then lift it up to your face like this and squeeze that lemon right into your mouth, and notice what happens. And now just think about what actually happened inside of your body, and the fact that the real result of you salivating and you getting the feel of like, ooh, I just bit a lemon, that emotional response is coming from a simple imaginary event, which is you thinking that you are in your kitchen, that you are looking around at your fridge, that you're pulling out a lemon and slicing it. And does that make sense? So think about this, because this is how professional athletes do it. For example, I'm sure you've seen this many times, the interview after the race where the athlete goes, oh, I've done this so many times in my head, it was just like on automatic. That is exactly what this is. So imaginary events in our head can create real results. They can create the emotion that actually makes us actually take an action. Does that make sense? All right. We become what we think about, so watch your thoughts. Think about the things that you actually want to be.
Hey, if you found value in this video, please hit the like button so more people can find it, and consider subscribing to the channel and clicking the bell for more life-enhancing content. Oh, and by the way, there's no rush. Hang around, watch some other videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.